Hello friends, today I am going to show you guys a little trick to change the background with just one click in Photoshop. Before starting the tutorial, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let's move to the tutorial. Right now the layer is selected, the background layer, and the layer is locked. I'll click on this lock sign to unlock this layer and then go to the properties. If your properties panel is not appearing here, we just need to go to the windows and click on the properties. And then I'll just go to the quick actions and here is the remove background. I'll click on this. Wow, how amazing it is. The background removed in seconds. Let me zoom in the image. You can see here the area. This background is not removed. We'll easily fix it with the help of brush tool. I'll select the brush tool and the mask layer is selected. I'll zoom in a little bit. And with the help of the spacebar, I'll reposition the image and then apply the brush slowly. Let me increase the size of the brush and remove this background and press the Ctrl 0 key. You can see how nicely the background removed. If I'll click on the create new layer and fill this layer with the black color and drag it to the bottom, you can see how nicely the background removed. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you do, then please thumbs up and also comment us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.